Hey there, have you just found out that you can get monetized on YouTube and you're like, what is monetization? How do I do it? Well, in today's video, I'm going to break down the requirements for getting monetized on YouTube so that you can start making money as soon as humanly possible. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, first let's talk about monetization basics. YouTube has certain criteria that you must meet in order to get monetized with YouTube and YouTube AdSense. Number one, you need to have 1,000 subscribers. So 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. Now, in addition to that, you need either 4,000 public watch hours on a long format video, a video like this that you're watching right now, that's horizontal landscape mode, or 10 million views on vertical video, or shorts as they're called on YouTube. The 4,000 watch hours is within 365 days, a calendar year. Okay, so you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours if you're doing long format talking head like this, or entertainment, doesn't matter, but landscape view, or you need 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views on your shorts if you're talking about vertical format, if that's your main focus of your channel. So whichever one comes first on your channel is what will help you to get monetized. In addition to that, you will need to follow and abide by YouTube's policies and guidelines. So if you break any of YouTube's rules or guidelines, you may not get monetized, or your monetization, once you achieve it, might get taken away from you, which is called demonetization. So you don't want that to happen. So be sure to check out YouTube's policy and guidelines for how you need to act on YouTube in order to get monetized with them. And lastly, you need a Google AdSense account. So you will need to have an AdSense account in order to get paid for those ads that you make revenue on within YouTube. So that is the criteria for full monetization with YouTube. However, there is an early monetization option, and that requirement is a little bit less than the full monetization requirement. And you get a few perks early if you apply for that. But the criteria for reaching that is 500 subscribers, so half the amount of the subscribers, and 3,000 public watch hours within a year, or 3 million valid shorts views within the past 90 days. So this is for early monetization. And with early monetization, you can apply for channel memberships, which allows subscribers to pay a monthly fee to get access to bonus material that you're willing to provide, maybe, behind the scenes videos, members only content. And so even though you're not earning any ad revenue just yet, with this early monetization, you can start earning revenue through memberships. And at this level, you can also unlock super chats and super stickers, which are things you can access when you do live streams. This feature allows your viewers to give money to you in order for their comments to show up on the screen, or show off fun stickers in super chats and those types of things. So it allows your community to engage with you and also give money back to you as a thank you for producing content to them for free. So that can also be an additional revenue stream for you before you actually get AdSense with the full-time monetization package. So hopefully this is clear. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and good luck on your YouTube journey. If you want a new YouTuber checklist on how to get started with YouTube, I have a document linked below that is super in-depth. It's about 25 pages, but it walks you step by step with how to get started on YouTube the right way so that you can be successful sooner rather than later. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.